Hello there and welcome to your weather forecast from the Met Office. Well, as we go through the rest of the day, most of us will see plenty of sunshine. The far northwest will see some further patchy rain, but certainly nowhere near as wet for Scotland as it was over the weekend. And in the south especially, it will be very warm for the time of year. And the reason for the warm weather is to do with the wind direction. At the moment, we're bringing in some warm air from the south. That hangs around for Tuesday, but as we go into Wednesday, we start to see a switch in the wind direction. We start to bring some cooler air in from the north. But back to this afternoon, for much of England and Wales, not a cloud in the sky, lots of sunshine around. But for Scotland, Northern Ireland, different story here, more in the way of cloud around with some outbreaks of rain coming and going. But as I mentioned, certainly nowhere near as wet as it was on Saturday and Sunday. In the sunshine, feeling very warm for the time of year, especially down towards the southeast. Could see highs reaching 30 degrees. That's about 10 degrees above where we should be for this point in September. So Monday evening ends on a fine note across many parts of England and Wales. Still further cloud and outbreaks of rain across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. And some of this rain could turn on the heavy side and possibly a bit more persistent across western Scotland and Orkney and Shetland as we go through the course of the night. Wales and southwest England also could see a few showers as we go into the small hours of Tuesday morning. And then further east across parts of the Midlands, Yorkshire, into East Anglia and the southeast, we could just see a few fog patches. So if you are out and about early on Tuesday, just watch out for a few fog patches if you are driving. But look at the temperatures, a very mild night to come for the time of year. Some places actually not falling much lower than 16 or 17 degrees. So we start off on a warm note across many parts of the UK. More in the way of cloud around compared to today across the UK, but still lots of sunshine to come across England and Wales. Cheering up for Northern Ireland, so a much better day here, but for Scotland it is still going to be quite cloudy during the morning with some further outbreaks of rain. But even here, as we go into the afternoon for southern and central Scotland, actually it does start to cheer up here. Temperatures, another very warm day for most of us. Low 20s in the north, but once again we could see highs reaching 30 degrees down towards the southeast corner. That may just start to trigger a few thunderstorms later on Tuesday into the evening hours. So watching out for a few thunderstorms, especially across the Midlands, northeastern England to end Tuesday evening, and still the risk of some further rain across the far north of Scotland. So going in towards the middle of the week, for most of us we continue to see fine and dry weather with lots of sunshine around. Still the risk of some patchy rain, especially across the northern half of the UK. And as I mentioned, for all of us, it is turning that little bit cooler as we go through the second half of the week. So if you want more information about the weather, you can always follow us on our social media channels.